In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently delete a slide from your PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're working on a project for work, school, or personal use, these steps will help keep your slides organized and streamlined. Let's dive right in. The process of deleting a slide from your PowerPoint presentation is quite simple and can be accomplished in just a few clicks. First, navigate to the slide that you would like to remove. You'll want to view your slides in the main editing area where you can see the content, or in the slide sorter view where you can see thumbnails of all your slides. Both views work perfectly for this task. Once you've decided which slide needs to go, position your cursor over the slide thumbnail on the left side of the screen if you're in the main editing view, or directly on the slide in the slide sorter view. A simple right-click using your mouse or trackpad will bring up a context menu. This is your go-to menu for quick actions related to the slide you've selected. In this context menu, you'll see an option labeled Delete Slide. Clicking on this option will immediately remove the slide from your presentation. It's worth noting that this action is reversible, so if you accidentally delete a slide, you can easily retrieve it by heading to the Undo button located typically on the top toolbar, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. Now you might wonder why it's essential to delete slides. Well, over time, as you add content and develop your ideas, some slides may become redundant, or you might decide that certain information isn't as relevant anymore. Removing these slides can help maintain a clear and focused narrative in your presentation, ensure that your key points are highlighted, and enhance the overall flow of your presentation. A helpful tip to keep in mind is to review your slides periodically. Take a moment to consider if each slide contributes effectively to your presentation objectives. Being selective about the content you include ensures that your audience remains engaged from start to finish. In summary, removing unnecessary slides from your PowerPoint presentation is an easy process that can make a significant difference in the overall impact of your presentation. With just a right click and a simple menu selection, you can tidy up your content and make sure that your final presentation is polished and compelling. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to manage your slides effectively, keeping your presentation sharp and to the point. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.